In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear sway bar link on this Ford Fusion. This will be located mounted to your lower control arm. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we'll have to do is safely raise and support the rear of the vehicle so the suspension's hanging. Once you've done so, we'll be making our way along the lower aspect of our lower control arm. You're going to find that you have a 14mm headed through bolt that holds the sway bar link to the control arm. It comes through from the front towards the rear. Inspect that mounting hardware, replace it as necessary. To make it easier to gain access to the upper mounting nut, go ahead over to the other sway bar link and do the same exact thing. Now that we have the bolt out on both sides, we can take these sway bar links and press them up and through the control arm. Let's use a hammer for that, whatever you might happen to have. Once you have the sway bar link mounting nut up to a position that you can gain access, we'll be using some locking pliers to hold the stud of the sway bar link. Make sure you have these on here as tight as possible. Let's use a 17mm to remove this upper mounting nut. Here we are. Once you have the mounting nut off of there, continue on to removing the sway bar link from the vehicle. The next thing we'll want to do is clean and inspect the mounting areas. Let's get ready to install our brand new rear sway bar link. Take this and put it in position, aligning it with both of its mounting holes. Go ahead and start on your mounting nut. Now that we have that nut started on, continue on by holding the stud of the sway bar link with a 3/16 Allen head. We'll use a 15mm to tighten the nut. Use a ratchet wrench for this. Just make sure that's nice and tight. Now we can torque that nut to 22 foot-pounds. Now once you have this upper nut torqued, if you are replacing the other side sway bar link, now's the perfect time to do so. Go ahead and put that in, torque the upper nut. Once you've done so, we'll continue on at the lower mounting point of each of the sway bar links. We've got our two bolts with a little bit of blue thread locker. Align the sway bar link with the corresponding hole on the control arm. Start the bolt in, snug it up, torque it to 33 foot-pounds. Do the same on the other side of the vehicle. Okay friend, we fully installed our rear sway bar link. At this point, make your way out from under the vehicle, get it back on the ground, take your vehicle for a road test, and listen for funny noises. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.